Hey guys, I just want to say before this video starts, I just want to let you know that if my voice sounds any different at all, that's just because I'm not feeling 100%, but enjoy the video nevertheless. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few days since we've had a U-Design I make. I've just been very busy with New Year's. But anyways, I hope you guys did all have a good New Year's. Now we have received some few comments actually, and I'll add two in this episode. So one we got was, make it have a yellow block where it gives you $1,000 when touched, but it has a 10% chance of appearing. And then we got another one which said, add a cube with my profile picture. When touched it will tell you the secret to the yellow block. So they were obviously referencing the previous comment, as they said. And I have an idea of how I want to do this. So I think I'm going to have a block that has a predefined location of spawning, but on begin play it will run like a 1 through 100, and then if it is less than 10 or equals 10, then it will spawn. If it doesn't, it will just destroy the actor. And what I feel like doing for the cube one is just simply having like the money system where you can press E to interact with it. I think we're just going to have it so it pops up with some text. So guys, just for a little refresher, this is what we have so far. So we have this camera system. It is still, the camera movement is a bit weird because obviously it's kind of, I feel like maybe setting the camera to like the origin of the movement. I'm not quite sure how to fix it. But when we go up to this yellow block and we press E, it will add money to us, okay? So that's what we got so far. So let's just get straight into it. So first, guys, what we're going to do is we're just going to make a new actor, and we'll just call this one BP_golden block. And then we will do the same, we'll have the same cube as what we did in the other one. So we'll just add a little cube and then call it golden block. And what we'll actually do is we will go into content. We'll make a new folder and we'll call this one materials. And then we'll go into materials and we'll create a new material. And we'll call this M_golden block. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to go base color. Oh, no, we don't want that. We want to add this, and we'll just connect this up to base color. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try find a golden color. I can never seem to find a good golden color when doing this. So obviously I may need to change this in the future. But what we'll do, we'll just go for like a yellow for now, and then we will set the roughness to like 0. We'll set the metallic to like 1, and we'll just do that for now. So this is what we're going to do for this. This is just going to be our golden material for now. We'll just save this. Back into the golden block, what we're going to do is we're going to add the material, and we're just going to call it golden block, and there we go. Now we've got our golden block here, but we now need to have the box collision, like so. We're actually going to move that onto there, and what we're going to do is, so on begin, so we'll just have like 2 integers, for example. So we'll have like spawn chance. Actually, yeah, we'll do it the easier way. So we'll do spawn chance min, spawn chance max. And what we'll do is we'll go integer, just because we don't want decimal places to confuse the system. And then what we'll do is we will get spawn chance, and then we're gonna, on begin play, we're gonna set the spawn chance to between min and between max. And we actually also need to set this, so min obviously being 0, and we'll do this. There we go. So what it's going to do is on the start, we're then going to grab these, and we're going to go random integer in range. And then we're just going to do that, and it'll just equal that. So that's what we'll get for this. And then it will check a branch, and it will check if spawn chance, I have to search equals because my keybind to start. Oh no, we don't want equals anyway, do we? We want spawn chance is less than or equal to 10. And if it is, what it'll do is it'll destroy actor, just like that. And then for false, so if the spawn chance is like, you know, oh wait, no, we don't want that. We want it to be, wait, less than, so if it is 10%, sorry, it'll be false destroy actor, because we don't want it spawning 90% chance. If it's true, what we'll do is, yeah, I guess we could just make a, we'll just make a begin overlap. So on begin overlap, we'll cast to BP underscore. I'm just going to quickly check and remember, give myself a refresher on how I made the money system in the other one. One moment. So guys, we seem to just do like we just do a ball, and then we just kind of change, we just add money on when they interact with it. So what we're going to now do is we're going to add a custom event, golden block money, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go, we're going to go add, no, sorry, we're going to set money amount, and then we're simply just going to get the money amount which we have, and we'll just steal this from over there, do that, and then we will golden block amount, and then we'll just make it a float. I don't know why I've made this in a float. That's quite annoying because now we've got decimal places. I might go through and change that off camera, but what we're going to do is we're just going to make it add 1,000, and then we'll go over here and do that. So that's all that does there, but we need to actually call this now. So we need to now call the golden block money. Now that should work. So what we're going to do, we're just going to spawn this in a scene. It has a predefined location so far. We might want to make the box collider a little bigger. Just like so. And you'll have to get close to it, right? So if we go up to it, let's see, it's not here. It's not spawned in. Do it again. Oh, look, it spawned in this time. And there you go, it adds money. So, just so we can't spam that, just like how I accidentally just did, what we will do is we'll just do it in here, yeah, and then we'll go destroy actor. So after it casts and gets the golden block money, it should, so there we go, doesn't spawn, doesn't spawn, doesn't spawn, oh, doesn't spawn, doesn't spawn. Okay, it's gonna take a while. There we go, now it spawns. So then when we go into it, it adds the money and it disappears. So there we go, there's the golden block done. Now though, we now need to add some text that the player can see for the other block. So if we go into UI, we'll make a new user widget blueprint. I like separating my blueprints just to keep them organized. And then if it gets too complicated, you can have like a main HUD, which you just add instead of adding every single one, which I can show you in a video if you guys want. But we'll go widget blueprint, and then we will just call, we'll just call it secret of golden block. So what we're going to do is I'm not quite sure what you wanted 100%, by the way, but I will just go into canvas panel and I will add just some simple text, which we will place. We'll get the anchor the position down to the very bottom here, and we'll just align this a bit better. So we'll put this at 1, and then we'll go with a bit of a bigger font. Maybe go 32, and then we'll put the justification in the middle, and we'll just raise this up a bit more. Oh wait, no, we won't. We'll put that there, and then we'll raise it up through this. So what we'll do is we'll put it up probably about there. We'll just put -60. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it the text of your name. Obviously we're going to make the block in a minute, but we'll just put like your name, and it'll just be like you're telling a secret. So we could change this to like an NPC character of your choice if you like, that just stands there and you can interact with. So what we'll do is we'll go up and we'll just type a random secret. Let me think of one, give me a minute. So guys, this is what I've come up with. I don't really know. You can change this, don't worry. If you want it to say something different, by all means, please let me know and I will I'll change it for you. So what we're gonna do is we're now gonna have to make a new blueprint. So if we go into blueprint class, new actor, and we'll call this on BP underscore secret to golden button. Or golden block, sorry. And this one, again, will just be another cube. We're just adding cubes for now. We can always add an asset pack or something like that if you guys want. So let me know if you want like a certain asset pack. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to spend thousands, but I might be able to spend a few pennies to get some nice assets for the game if you guys wish. I do also already have a big asset library. But anyway, enough of that. We'll go to Box Collider. And this one's not going to despawn. So, excuse me. This one's not going to despawn. So, we're just going to do this. Oh, God, I've got like hiccups. Oh. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do that. And then we're going to go... Oh, no, we don't want that. Why am I doing that? We want to grab this, go add event, begin overlap. And then we will BP or cast to BP third person character. And then... what we will do is we'll then make a custom event in the third person character, just so we know where all of the scripts are going, or all the logic for like HUDs are going and stuff. So show secret HUD. We may have to change that later, depending on what you guys want to add next. But what we'll do is we'll create widget, and then we will go and put secret of the golden block. By the way, I have no idea if any of this is going to work. I'm just kind of winging it and hoping for the best. I haven't actually tested any of this. I'm just going straight through. Because it's not like a tutorial where I'm like showing you guys. I'm showing you the process of me working out. But anyways, we'll create a widget and then we'll add it to a viewport. But what we'll actually do, we'll right click and we'll promote it to a variable and we'll call it secret of golden block ref. We'll do that. We'll just connect that up here. And then what we'll do is we'll then go here, add a delay. We'll add a delay, sorry. And we'll wait about 4 seconds. And then we will remove from parent. There we go. So what we're doing is we're adding the UI to this, we're adding the UI as a reference here, and then we're adding it to a viewport, then we're delaying like 4 seconds so it stays for a little bit, and then we're removing from parent, which will just remove the UI. Now, so we need to go back in here, because if not, we're not going to be able to call it, and we're just going to go secret, or show secret UI. There we go, that should be good. What we'll do, we'll just make sure, yeah, that's all good. We'll just give this a random material that's already in the game. Just so, there you go, whatever, that works. Just so we know what's what. So what we'll do is we'll just go into blueprints and we'll just place it in the corner there. If you want this moved or you want anything else added, there you go. 10% chance of luxurious treasures, and it just goes. I believe if you walk back into it, it will show again, so just in case you don't read it in time. But there you go. Obviously, the camera is still not working when you first enter the scene, which is quite annoying. But yeah, I'll see if I can look into fixing that off camera. But yeah, guys, what we have now is we have a little game. We just kind of need a way to add money. So if anyone, or use money. So if anyone wants to come up with an idea, then let me know in the comments down below. So what we have now is the Resident Evil style camera, or classic Resident Evil style camera. We have the normal add money button where you can add like 100. Then we've got the golden block, which can add 1,000. What we might want to do is we might want to change the money button to only allow us to add a certain amount. So then this is more valuable. And then we have this one, which tells you the secret of the golden button. But yeah, you said to add your profile picture. I don't know if you had a profile picture like the other day, but it's currently just like a C with pink, like a default profile picture. So if you guys want, or if you want to have your profile picture, let me know that it is the one you want. You just want the C with the pink, and I'll add that in the next episode. But for now, I'll leave it with this random texture. And yeah, so that's what we've got so far. If you guys have any more ideas, make sure to drop a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.